Hey, it's me, Bekesa, and welcome back to my channel over here at the Canva Cafe. We were going to make this New Year's Eve celebration flyer, but I said, you know what, let's just make a flyer in general to celebrate a launch, because we know in January everyone is launching something, so why not switch up the flyer? So I'm going to do a talk through. So first, I just went and picked a flyer background of a celebration or fireworks, and then I used the blur to seamlessly blend the lines together, and I was just testing it to see if I see any lines of demarcation there. Now we're just going to add our copy of whatever we wanted to, write for our flyer, and it says our brand launch. And then I add this marble texture to the back, and I change the transparency a little bit so it wouldn't be so bold and out there. But if you want it like that, you can. And the marble texture that I use, you can adjust the color. I'm just adding some dates and some locations. I added a gold separator and a little black splash or something to put behind it. And here the sunglasses has nothing to do with anything, but I find elements and I like to save them while I can. And I'm just adding another element over the black just to give it a little extra, just a little extra something, child. Let's see what else, because I'm trying to keep up with this video and I didn't realize I edited it so fast. So if y'all have any questions, leave them down below in the comments. So I'm just trying to find a few more decorative things while I'm sizing and fitting everything to the page. And I'm just trying to line up all the words and try to figure out how I wanted to do the alignment. And I eventually add an effect behind all the words to, make them pop a little bit. I use the shadow effect. And right here, I'm just stretching out the letters in the word just to make it a little thinner and longer. I just picked a champagne bottle, added it as my element, and this is just the fun part. You add whatever element you want. I'm going to go ahead and speed through, and what I'm going to do next somewhere, I add the champagne glass. I searched bubbles, and all I did was shrink them and add them to the champagne glass. And the trick is to change the transparency to make it more transparent so it looks like real bubbles. And I just duplicated it a couple times and shrunk them so that they could fit along the glass. And I added some confetti right there and over there, and here's some confetti. And I wanted to do a little border at the bottom, but I thought that gold line was boring, so I got rid of it and found some gold tickets and added a shadow and put my Instagram, or you can put whatever you want to, and you could even put the dates and the time and place on the ticket instead of that black slash. So if you enjoyed this tutorial, please let me know in the comment section. Also, let me know any other videos you would like to see. Don't forget to share, like, and subscribe. And thank you so much. And this is the last video of our 12 days of CanvaMas. I made it. I was sick, so I didn't get to complete them on time, but I've got them done for you for the new year. And after this, I'm going to be back to other videos, and I'm going to try to post every Thursday once a week. So I'm going to see how that works, because in case y'all don't know, I am a nurse and I do work at those people's job, and sometimes I may not have time to record other videos, but I'm gonna try my best. So with the rest of the video, I am just trying to place things where I want to place them and just do some finishing touches. And I've really been trying to keep these videos on the 10 minutes. Maybe 10 minutes is too fast. I'm not sure. Let me know if you don't mind me making the video a little bit longer so that I can explain a little bit better. Or is it okay at the less than 10-minute mark because you're okay with looking and watching? Don't forget you can adjust the video in the back of your flyer to have it the length that you need it, whether you're posting it on Instagram stories or you're using it for a reel. So you can adjust the length of the video in the background. So now I'm just going to use the play setting inside of Canva so I can review my flyer to see if I need to change anything, if I need to extend the video or crop and use a different section of the video. So always use this function to review your work. And some of the elements I may have used are pro elements, so if you need to try Canva Pro free for 30 days, you feel free to use my affiliate link below. I do get a small kickback. And thank you so much for watching. Bye.